Look at the puppies tussling. They're so much fun. They have a lot of fun together. It's all part of socialization. Normally I have them out here with all the other dogs, but there's somebody outside in the street doing something, so my dogs are barking it up, so I just thought I'd keep the puppies out here and watch them have some fun. They're constantly going to that wall and digging. Yeah, they like digging. Good thing I have that little retaining wall so they wouldn't dig out the property. Say hi, camera. Hi. Where'd they go? Uh-oh, have to search for the puppies. Where are you, puppies? Probably over by the other plants. Uh-oh, she's going to go to the bathroom. We're not going to watch that. There they go. That's Hansel and Gretel, these two. Hansel's back here. Gretel's up here. And this one is Liebchen. She's my little sweetheart. Little German babies. So it's Saturday. Gonna let them play for a little bit and put them in the house before I do some gardening. Don't they remind you of the Beatles when they do this little thing where they all just follow each other up that little incline? Can't imagine what they're digging for, because I know there's nothing down there. What'd you get? You find a leaf? You find a leaf? No, do not eat my plants. Do not eat my plants. Let's move it out of your way. There you go. Look at these two. It's like they're calling each other out. That's Hansel and Gretel. They just love to mix it up. But they're having fun. I haven't seen one single vicious fight. They're just playing. And it's good. And it's good when they tussle with the other dogs. Socialization is just too important. Can't stress it enough. People tell me, can't bring your dogs to my house because my dogs are too protective and they can't socialize well. It's really good to have your dogs socialize with other dogs, go to dog parks and play right from the start. So I hope the new owners of these puppies really hear me when I tell them, when I talk to them when they come over, how important that is. And so far, all the people who are interested in buying these puppies have talked about the ways they're planning on socializing the dogs, which really makes me happy, because if you don't, they're going to have such terrible behaviors that are going to be hard to deal with. So anyway, that's the puppies today, Saturday, May 4th. We'll do another video another time. Say bye, puppies. Say goodbye, the little pagan puppy.